According to the National Electrical Code, it is not acceptable to cut off grounding conductors such that they do not extend at least 3.0 inches past the front of the electrical box, even if the grounds are crimped together. Article 300.15 B2 of the NEC addresses grounding conductor splices within a switch or junction box, stating that such splices shall be made within an approved splicing device. The requirement for grounding conductors to extend at least 3.0 inches past the front of the box serves a specific purpose: to ensure that there is sufficient length of conductor available to facilitate a proper splice using an approved splicing device. Keep in mind that crimps, like a butcher and crimp, are not considered an approved splicing device for grounding conductors. Cutting off the excess grounding conductor effectively prevents it from being used for future splicing or for making extensions to the grounding system. The approved method for dealing with grounding conductors within a box involves several steps. Firstly, twist the grounding conductors together to ensure good electrical contact. Secondly, secure the twisted conductors with an approved splicing device. Examples include a wire nut or a screw terminal connector specifically designed for grounding. Thirdly, ensure that after splicing, the grounding conductor extends at least 3.0 inches past the front of the box opening. Finally, any excess grounding conductor length should be carefully folded or coiled back into the box, taking care to leave enough length accessible for future connections or modifications to the wiring. Failing to adhere to these guidelines can result in non-compliance with the NEC, potentially leading to safety hazards and rejection during electrical inspections. Therefore, it's crucial to always maintain the required 3.0 inch length of grounding conductors extending past the box and to use only approved splicing methods for grounding connections. The minimum 3.0 inches of grounding wire extending from the box allows for safe and effective reconnection and maintenance in the future. By leaving the excess, the electrician can easily work with the wires without needing to add additional wire to it or replace the existing wiring with new wiring.